You take a sip of water, and suddenly you are coughing uncontrollably. Why does this happen so fast? The water did not enter your food pipe. It went down your trachea, your windpipe. That is dangerous. So your brain triggers a cough reflex to force the water out and stop it from reaching your lungs. It is an instant defense to keep you alive. But how does it happen at all? Blame your epiglottis, a small flap in your throat. It is designed to close the airway when you swallow. But if you laugh or talk mid-sip, it might misfire. Even one drop in the wrong place triggers chaos. But what if you do not cough in time? Can water actually reach your lungs and lead to pneumonia? It happens more often than you think. Subscribe to Cortex Curiosities to uncover the science behind your body's secret defenses. Next up, why do we flinch suddenly? It is faster than you can blink. Trivia time. How many times do you think we cough each day? Even when we are perfectly healthy? Drop your guess in the comments. The real number might shock you.